Okay. So see what I did is, so this account doesn't have ad account. This LinkedIn page, this company doesn't have an ad account. So I'm just trying to create an ad account so that you will also understand how to create. Yeah. Account name, Learn and Thrive, associated LinkedIn page. We should have a LinkedIn page, company page. You should have a LinkedIn account. Okay. So you can give a LinkedIn account name, Learn and Thrive, or anything that you want. This account will contain all your campaigns, ads, and related billing information. Account name, Learn and Thrive. Do you want it to be Learn and Thrive, or do you want it to be? So this is not shown to the public. For the public, it's always shown this one, Learn and Thrive. So this is for your reference, Learn and Thrive ad account, or you can name it anything that you want. And then the currency. I agree to the LinkedIn ads agreement and advertising guidelines. Create. You successfully created your account. Advertising on LinkedIn is easier than ever. Create your first ad now. Okay. New campaign group not delivering. They have created one. We can create any. So just to help you understand how things work, they have created one and allowing you to edit it. You can do that also. New campaign group active. So anyways, I'll ignore this. I'll start a new one. Okay. So you can click on campaign. Okay. See, all again social media, sorry, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, all of them, it's the same thing, right? So just the way how you target the type of ads and the outcome. Outcome is the key thing here. The implementation would be more or less the same on all the platforms. The outcome is going to be different. Okay. So LinkedIn also give you your lead generation campaigns. We'll look into it. Choose a campaign objective. You can now create AI powered campaigns for certain objectives. So you have brand awareness, website visits, engagement, increase social engagement and page followers, video views, share your video with more people, lead generation, identify potential candidates interested in your open positions. I don't know why this is not showing to me. We'll look into it. Website conversions. This again, this website traffic, capture leads or drive actions on your website. It's same thing when people go to your website, just presenting or putting it to you in a different way. Job applications, drive more applications to job opportunities. People post on LinkedIn, right? Those can be sponsored and you can get more traction. Yeah. So which one do you want to start to get started? Everybody? Accelerate beta. So now advantage plus you were seeing it on the Facebook, right? And what was it on the Google Ads? No, 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 not about the website traffic. So there are two options always. You can manually pick the keywords or target audience, right? Or you can go with audience plus. Audience plus is you don't have to do anything automatically, it will only suggest to you. Correct? So it is advantage plus on social media, correct? Advantage plus or I will pick my audiences. I suggested always pick your own audiences, correct? And on Google, here on LinkedIn, it is accelerate and classic. Instead of advantage plus, here it is accelerate, and instead of I'm good to pick by myself, it's they are calling it as classic. Manually build a campaign from scratch using the available features. So they are trying to simplify. They are trying. They're just adding. They're taking things on their own and they're calling it as artificial intelligence. They are just based on their artificial intelligence only. But what is their intelligence? Is their intelligence really up to the mark? May not be necessarily, right? So you don't have to go with accelerate, or you can go with it might work miracles for you or may not work. Or classic method is completely in control for you, right? So since you all have to understand how things work, so I'll go with the classic method. Yeah. Next, what is it on Google Ads? What do you see it as? Smart. Everywhere they use the word smart, I guess. Correct? Even I am unable to recall, despite speaking so many times. So you're still not able to recall what it is called as? So it is actually called as opti. What is that? Optimize something, right? Maybe if I have picked a different road, I would have gone to see that. Okay, advantage plus. So it is called as something called as optimized something. I am unable to find now here. Let me change the goal type of goal. Advantage plus, right? Advantage plus is Facebook. Advantage plus is Facebook. So did you all get that? I used to tell, right, don't pick this option. Which campaign is that I am not able to? Okay, I'll have to change the goal. Let me change the goal and show it to you. The word is not coming to my mind. That's why it can't be. So so we were creating here, right? Not this one, sorry. This one. Learn and thrive, right? Yeah, accelerate. So I got a memory loss recent time. Accelerate on LinkedIn. Okay. See, all this mean the same thing. See now, advantage. The other option, advantage or manual pick. Uh, yeah, they'll give it as manual. Here also, I think it's manual. Here it is classic or So I can say it as accelerate or classic, advantage plus or manual, optimized or smart or manual on Google Ads. See, now there was nothing as such this. There was nothing as such advantage place on Facebook. There is nothing as such as accelerate and classic. It was by default everything was manual. You used to do everything manually. Now they have brought in the intelligence where it's simplifying your work. It's ideally speaking, it's not simplifying. It is basically the platform knows where their inventory exists, where which kind of targeting exists, which kind of location exists. So for which kinds of keywords they have inventory, everything they know. So based on that, they are building everything for you. Advantage plus audience also, advantage plus audience or advantage plus ads or advantage plus assets or maybe advantage plus anything. Advantage is nothing but they are giving a coloring that it's an AI generated content or AI targeting or whatsoever it is. Basically, it is all about you giving control to them to take the decision. Clear? Guys, everybody getting it? Are you all getting it? So I'll not go with
Yes, Akshay.
accelerate. I'll go with so I struggled recalling the term. That's why I went to Google Ads. So go with classic. And see that accelerate also they are playing smart. They are putting it as beta. We are not still even if something goes wrong with it, they don't take the responsibility. Maximize performance with a streamlined setup tailored for your business objectives. Manually build a campaign from scratch using the available features. See, they are scaring you. Features are available, and you're going to use it all by yourself with full control. It's not that there is no feature here and there are additional features. Nothing as such, right? The only additional feature here is they are taking control of everything, and here you are not giving that control, right? So campaign group name, I'll call this as test campaign number 24. Website visits the objective, you can change it even now if you want. Group budgets and schedules. See, LinkedIn is very expensive. It's not like Facebook and Instagram. LinkedIn is very expensive and LinkedIn allows you to see here again budget. We will automatically distribute your group or budget across your best performing campaigns for better ROI based on your bidding strategy. Don't go. So you are running the campaign, you don't have to turn it off. So when you have 10 campaigns, whichever campaign is performing best, they are going to spend more on that campaign. So your 10 different campaigns will be for 10 different things. Let's say one of the campaign is to sell fruits, one of the campaign is to sell vegetables, one of the campaign is to sell apparel. So now if vegetables campaign is always performing best, automatically if you're turning off, it's going to divert all the spend to that campaign. But you're already getting lots of sales for vegetables. Why should you be still investing on vegetables? Correct? It should be the reverse. Correct? So you prefer to spend more on the apparel campaign or maybe fruits campaign or grains campaign or something else. Correct? So hence don't turn it off. Right? So in case, see why this feature is turned it off is some agencies or companies will have a budget 1 crore, 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs. So it all has to be spent. So now if they have allocated equal budgets to all the 10 campaigns, apparel, fruits, snacks, grocery, right? So many campaigns may not consume, correct? Then budget will be left over. In that case, this feature will be helpful. They don't mind or care which is consuming more or less. All that they want is at the end of the month they have to say we have consumed this much. See, that's how the larger organizations spend money. They'll have the budget allocated for this quarter. I have 10 million budget, right? Or 20 million budget, and it all has to be spent. So in those cases, turning this off will be useful, right? Run continuously from a start date, set a start and end date, set a start and end date with a budget. So you have multiple options, right? Maybe I'll pick this option. Lifetime budget 200, and I'll set the end date. This is 11, sorry, end at same day. Yeah, correct. Next. Your campaign group total budget must be at least 5,000. Please update your campaign group total budget. See, if you are spending on LinkedIn, they are suggesting you to spend at least 5,000. No option for you to spend lesser than that. You did not even pick the targeting, you did not even upload the ads, you did not tell anything, and they're just telling that you cannot spend less than 5,000 rupees. Correct? Right? So, audience, we have to pick the audience, saved audiences, or create a new audience. Same way how we do it on Google Ads or Facebook or on LinkedIn. Saved audiences, you may not find any audiences, we don't have any saved audiences available for us here. Hence you have to create, or you will have an option. So maybe here assets, campaign type, where saved audiences, test, analyze, recommendations. Plan audiences, create audience. This account has some issue and hence we are not able to create. Otherwise this allows us to create the audiences, right? So same way here. So we don't have any saved audiences. So here this is members with bachelor's degree. See, straight away at a very broad level it is allowing you to target corporate HR professionals, customer experience professionals, event planners, financial advisors, IT decision makers, marketing professionals. So you have some marketing product that's used by marketing professionals. You can target this designation straight away. Existing selections will be replaced. Okay, right? I don't want this targeting. So you can remove this targeting and you can add your. See, the moment you pick the audience, automatically it has picked all the designations here, right? Are you all observing this, guys? I just removed everything. So again, if I am picking audience, so it will bring in all those designations whom are related to finance. So it has actually.
So can't we add multiple audiences?
You can. I'll show it to you.
But
Final decision makers. So see, from the audiences, if you're creating and from saved audience list, you can select multiple. We'll look into it, right? But here, okay, we will create some new audiences. Your audiences. There are no audiences, so we'll create audiences. Where will it go? So I have already picked audiences here. Group objective audiences. Okay, since I did not create audiences and pick from the existing, it is not taking up anything else. So here we will select. So at the top level, we have given the category audiences as medical doctors. Here you can pick the audiences. Who is your target audience? Search. Okay. So if I want to target specific company, okay. So company category, company connections, company follower of, company profile, company history. So company category like IT, hardware, healthcare. See here we have added them all by the job titles. So these titles again we can further segregate based on different things. Audiences use your data to retarget website visitors. This is for remarketing. Let me try removing everything. Okay. See here, I might put digital marketer also. They're all taking up the skills. Then respect identities here, audience. Select. So these are all audience. We can create the audience also. Maybe until we add couple of details, payment details or something like that, they are not allowing us to create the audiences. Or what I'll do is I'll try with a new campaign. I had launched a LinkedIn campaign back to actually worked in 2017, 18, 2 years. Used to spend around 8 lakhs a month on LinkedIn only on LinkedIn. Okay. Since then, I never touched this. Let me try creating a new campaign. I'll go with website visits again, classic. Next, I want to see because in the previous campaign we selected the audiences from template. I'll not do that from in this campaign. I'll just try. Who's your target audience? Start building your audiences by searching for attributes of professionals you want to reach. So we can search, find the audiences, and then create using them. Whatever we are doing it here. This This is not by designations though. Yeah, here. Create a new audience. Create a new audience. So we'll have to create from these options. First, locations. India, fine, or do you want to recent or permanent location? People search. So you can select multiple locations. Same way you can add multiple designations also. Display of sponsored messages. Okay. So who is your target audience now? Here you can put. We'll see what it shows. Start building your audience by searching for attributes of professionals you want to reach. Attributes, company names are all company names. It's showing the company names and the groups here. We'll see in the audience attributes. Use your data to retarget website visitors. Okay, this is different audience attributes. Different. Okay, let me type. See, enable audience expansion automatically. This will keep considering the similar audiences as well. Reach people who are similar to your target audience based on attributes like job titles, companies, or skills. So no. So in the targeting, we'll study further what and all can be done here because this is the most important thing here. Saved audiences. Who is your recent locations we have opted? Who is your target audience? Remove attributes. Remove what happens. Interests and traits. Education, job experience. Maybe we can add people based on this. So job titles based on job titles, based on job functions, based on job seniorities, and they're driving into senior managers. See, see LinkedIn explicitly about the job based on the jobs that now you can target by company, target by age, gender, couple of other things based on the education level. So if you are selling a course which is applicable only for people about degrees, you can select that. Job experience maybe degrees. Degrees also again which degree you want to search, right? They have given here, or you can search some of them. Yeah. So if you want to show ads only to people who has done BTech, you can pick them. Again, multiple targetings. Field of study also, member schools, job experience also. Job titles I can add multiple now. Job title, manager, project manager, right? Are you all getting it now? Right, and again I'll come back to the job thing. I want interest and traits, or maybe I want to go by the member skills. Skills in, let's say, AdWords, Google Ads. See, people whomsoever has skill in this, I want to show ads only to them. That also got added. And then I can pick interest and traits. Members are interested in digital marketing groups, so I can just put digital marketing, and it shows no, this is wrong. These are all groups. So whomsoever are part of digital marketing group, whomsoever are part of, so somebody will be part of Bangalore HSR layout or part of group, let's say Bangalore metropolitan city, something. So we can pick those groups and we can show it to them. Do you see that here now? So people whomsoever are part of those groups will start seeing it. Company also, I want to show ads only to the people, company follower of Learn and Thrive. So I can show ads to all the people whomsoever are following Learn and Thrive page. Company growth rate, company industries, company names. What is this? I can give the names. Google, and it starts showing ads. So I can show all to pages. People whomsoever have liked or followed these pages, I can show ads to them. Are you all getting this, guys? Again, click on it. See, you are not, you can do whatever you want. You can target people whomsoever have liked your page, or any other company or companies which has growth rate, or you can target by industries like constructing. So we have picked constructing now, on building and construction or civil engineering. Maybe a building and construction, non-residential building construction. This is commercial spaces only. Okay, so it got targeted. Again, I'll come back. Right, do you see that here? Company revenue. So company whomsoever has revenue in this range, I'll target them. See, this is extreme level of narrow downing your audiences. Right, so Sabha, this is what you asked. Can I do multiple kinds of targeting? See, here you can add multiple degrees. Here you can add multiple job titles. See, I can click plus and I can add more. I can click plus here and I can add more companies. I can click plus and I can add more groups. I can click plus and I can add more companies, Microsoft or maybe Azure, or maybe it can be any other company, the small or big, whatsoever. I can add all those companies. Industries, company revenue. So not only 1 billion, I'll pick companies which are making 1 million a month also, or a year also, right? Clear? So don't open this enable audience expansion. So based on the learning on this target, it starts showing ads to others also, is what it is telling. But it might not really work. It is telling that, so you have given me some condition, you have so now for example, you would have hand over a coconut in their hand. Now they are telling that whatever looks like coconut, we will take in all and they will charge for you. Right? Why should we do it in doubtful? If it is really what it is meant for you, then you will consider paying. Otherwise, don't give it to them control and expect. So here also you have single image ad, carousel image, video ads, text ads, spotlight ads. We'll look into this ads thing in the tomorrow's class. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So in tomorrow's class, we'll look into all of these ads. Yeah. So main two parts, ads and audiences. That's all in LinkedIn. These are the main two things, and everything else like you, it's all doesn't matter big. Okay. So based on the criteria that we have given, look at the target audience size. 30 lakhs, engineering 25. So they are giving the segmentation. 30-day spend, 1.8 lakh. 30-day impressions, you will get this many. 30-day clicks, where are 30-day clicks? 2,400 clicks. For this, you have to spend 1.8 lakh or 6,500 clicks. Range, they are giving you a range. So, close to, so your cost per click is almost close to 100 rupees or more than that. 150 rupees. So, 30-day, yeah, here they are giving close to 100 rupees higher range and lower 62 rupees, which is quite expensive. On LinkedIn, just for people clicking on it and coming to your website, you are spending 62. They are not really desperately looking for your product or service. Just because you showed to them, they are clicking on it. Correct? Just because you are showing, they are clicking on it. They are not desperately looking for it. We'll discuss more on this in the coming classes. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See you then. Bye.
Bye. Good night.